okay. That wasn't normal.
My greatest fear is not being accepted.
It should be. And you need
I
to...
can do that.
Like that? Do you want to die? I have enough unaddressed trauma to flood this hallway. You fucking... 4!
Trustfall!
Is over. My torment ends now.
What the hell? Are you seriously working for the Pope?
Goodbye, Bigfoot.
Don't worry, Morty. I've got this under control.
Guys, you assumed Bigfoot was dumb, which was dumb of you.
You're right, Morty. Underestimating people only gives them the high ground.
Admit why you bullied me.
Because